Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, whatever time you're watching this. Welcome to my first hair tutorial, practicing braiding using shoestrings until I get to the real hair, hopefully soon. So, those who's watching this for the first time, again, welcome, and needed help with braiding. That's what this video is for. So sit back and relax and pay attention to everything I'm doing. As you can see, where I kept messing up about 2-3 times, the good part about this project is that don't ever stop. Once my fingers were working, I kept going without stopping. So when I do it, you can do it too. So this is my finished project. I hope you all like it. I hope I did it right. Again, I stopped almost at the end because of the jewelry. So thank you all for watching, and God bless you.